Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling the Google Play Store in Settings so you can install apps. This is faster than converting files. Once done, install the Microsoft Word Android app or Open Office. Common Chrome for the web app. You need to sign in with your Microsoft account to unlock editing features and grant the app storage permission so it can access files. This approach keeps compatibility with docx files and lets you edit both online and offline when properly configured. Now you'll open your document from the Files app or directly from OneDrive or Google Drive. This avoids broken formatting. Make sure autosave is enabled so edits sync automatically, and enable offline files if you'll work without internet. If you prefer a native feel, use Chrome's menu and choose Install to add the Office Progressive Web App. This gives a dedicated window and preserves keyboard shortcuts. These steps reduce cloud lag and keep layout fidelity, but finish by saving your document back to OneDrive or Google Drive or export as a PDF for sharing. Make sure autosave completed before closing. To print, use the print dialog and select a connected printer or save as PDF. If you can't edit a file, try clearing the Word app cache, signing out and back in, or reinstalling the app. These steps fix permission or sync errors. If conversion issues persist, upload the file to Office.com and open it in the web editor for better compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.